How to use the law of attraction to find your soulmate in 3 simple steps. Yes, it's true. You can use the law of attraction to find your soulmate. Are you willing to set aside some preconceived ideas and open your mind and heart to the infinite possibilities of the universe? By taking the following steps to help you focus your thoughts and harness your imagination, you will be able to find and keep your soulmate. 1. Create a vision board. Get a poster board, red or dark pink work best. On this, place a picture that represents, to you, what your soulmate looks like. Beside it, put a picture of yourself. If the sizes of the pictures do not seem to work together very well, check some of the free photo resizing sites on the internet. Remember, you are creating a couple. This picture should be about 1/3 of the way down, in the center of your vision board. On the sides and below it, put pictures of activities the two of you will enjoy together. Be open-minded about this. The fact that this is your soulmate does not mean she will automatically enjoy the exact same things you do. Show flexibility. Now, using a light-colored or white piece of chalk, something that symbolizes, to you, the universal energy of the law of attraction, print the words, "I am so happy and grateful now that the universe has found my soulmate for me." Then, using the same piece of chalk, but on its side, draw some rays as if they are the energy flowing from this affirmation into the picture of you and your soulmate, and from there, flowing through all those joyous activities. 2. Choose a slow dance song that you like. Put on the music, look at your vision board, and imagine yourself with your arms around your soulmate. Listen to the sound of their heartbeat as you imagine yourselves dancing slowly to this music, oblivious to anyone or anything but each other. Let yourself get lost in the sound of the music as yourself dancing with your soulmate. Do the two of you talk while you are dancing? Make up the conversation, and listen carefully to what your soulmate has to say. Imagine they are listening carefully to what you answer. 3. Experience the sensation of touching as you dance. What does it feel like to have your soulmate's arms around you? As you hear their heartbeat against your body, can you feel the gentle thudding? Is your soulmate wearing something that feels soft against your skin or something rugged? What does their hand in yours feel like? Is it smooth and manicured, or work roughened? Remember, this is something you are creating from scratch, so the choice is yours. The only important thing is to allow yourself to experience it as fully as possible. At night, before you go to sleep, look at your vision board and listen to the music you chose. If you are not in a position to do this, listen to the music in your head as you imagine the dance over again. When you wake up in the morning, do the same. The first 15 minutes you wake up you are still in an alpha state, and that is the best state for contacting the universe through the deliberate use of the law of attraction. This is a simple, powerful method works because it brings into play the basics of visualizing combined with the sense of hearing and touch.